Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and insights. In this Kogan Internet review, we'll delve into the user experience and assess whether this budget-friendly provider lives up to its promises. For those interested in exploring their plans and current promotional offers, be sure to click the links in the description below. You might snag a great deal. Kogan Internet leverages the Vodafone NBN network, offering a variety of plans across different speed tiers, including NBN 25, NBN 50, and NBN 100. This range caters to diverse needs, from single users requiring basic browsing speeds to larger families who stream movies and play online games concurrently. Kogan Internet targets those seeking reliable internet access without the premium price tags and added extras often associated with larger telecommunications companies. A key advantage of Kogan Internet lies in its highly competitive pricing. Their plans are consistently among the most affordable on the market, and they frequently sweeten the deal with enticing introductory discounts for new subscribers. Furthermore, all Kogan Internet plans come with unlimited data, eliminating concerns about usage restrictions or unexpected overage charges for those who consume large amounts of data. And, with no lock-in contracts, Kogan Internet offers the flexibility to change or cancel your plan without incurring penalties, giving you complete control over your service. Getting started with Kogan Internet is designed to be simple. They provide a BYO modem option for cost-conscious users, or you can opt to purchase a pre-configured modem directly from Kogan for a more streamlined setup. The entire installation process is generally straightforward, and their online account management portal makes it easy to track your data usage and manage your plan details. While Kogan Internet excels in affordability, it's important to note that their customer support is primarily online-based, via email and chat, rather than traditional phone support. This digital-first approach may not be ideal for everyone, but it contributes to their commitment to keeping operational costs low. It's also worth mentioning that, as a Vodafone NBN reseller, Kogan Internet's performance and reliability are dependent on the quality of the Vodafone infrastructure in your specific location. In conclusion, Kogan Internet is an excellent choice for users who prioritize budget-friendly, no-frills internet access. It's a particularly attractive option for cost-conscious individuals and families seeking simplicity and value. For a comprehensive overview of their plans and any ongoing promotions, remember to check out the links provided in the description.